petals and a dark crimson red, showing off its impressive beauty, this orchid releases an exquisite fragrance matching its glamorous presence. To enhance your scent experience and provide beneficial values, we have an infusion of therapeutic orchids in our fragrance composition. These orchids serve to provide medicinal usage on top of their soothing effects, bringing greater levels of comfort to those who utilize them. Mainly found in China and used in traditional Chinese medicine, this therapeutic orchid is made into a decoction and is used in improving the condition of the lungs, treating dry coughs and tuberculosis. Modest and elegantly bloomed, this orchid is used to treat simple illnesses like healing external wounds, such as cuts and abrasions. It can also be consumed as a tonic to improve overall health. To increase complexity in the fragrance composition, sage, cinnamon, patchouli, and cardamom are some of the other ingredients added in. Not only does sage smell magnificent, it works amazingly well as an herb too. Used for its therapeutic effects, sage is known to support the brain in several ways. It can help stimulate and clarify the mind, while exhibiting a balancing, soothing effect in easing negative moods. It can also promote a sense of attentiveness and enhance memory. Medicinally, sage oil is reputed to ease muscular and joint pain, detoxify, and calm skin conditions such as dermatitis. By itself, cardamom has a sweet, resinous, and spicy tone, with an underlining bitter aftertaste. This ingredient has a rich history of medicinal use and has been valued for centuries. Egyptians have been using it in their perfumes, incense, and even for teeth whitening. In traditional aromatherapy, cardamom serves to help fortify cognitive mind and improve focus. Furthermore, its scent is effective in relieving nausea associated with both pregnancy and chemotherapy patients. A confident woman is one who knows what she wants and how to get it. This is a fragrance devoted to an ideal, majestic, powerful woman, creating an unforgettable trail of sensuality and confidence.